Here's a Simon O'Brien masterclass on how to hang a door. Step 1. Make sure door fits the opening.
But allowing for carpet, we'll make sure we've got most of the gap at the bottom.
Step 2. Work out where the hinges go.
I usually just come down about 180. The thing about hanging doors is, it can go wrong that way, it can go wrong that way, it can go wrong that way. It's all about the measuring.
Yeah.
If you get the measuring right to the millimetre first time, then it goes on smoothly.
Amazing.
If you get it wrong, it turns into a nightmare.
Yeah.
I've done it plenty of times.
Okay.
So let's see how I get on today. Thank you.
Step 3. Mark them out and get chiselling.
I'm just going to cut out with the chisel just the depth of the hinge, no more.
Fantastic.
Okay? So this is just about being patient with your chisel, because if you start gouging pieces out, then once you've gone too deep, you have to pack in.
Yeah.
And,
It's a pain.
so.
Step 4. Attach the aforementioned hinges.
Always pre-drill.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
Crack.
you'll split your door, and then you have to put a new hinge on.
I love it.
Looks pretty straight to me.
Yes.
And step 5. Attach the door to the door frame.
There you go.
Oh.
It's a room now. Yeah, just needs that top edge plain in. What do you think? You like them?
Bob's your uncle.
Yeah.
Woo!
Actually broke into a sweat. So, and dab hand with the hinges. You can recess all the hinges.
Yeah, you measure, I'll do that.
Yeah, that's fine.
Listen,
Amazing.
girls, carry on. You're doing a fantastic
Thank
job.
you.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
My jacket's there. I'm going.